Remember, I have been doing this for the last 5097 years. Ladies and gentlemen, 5097 years. Make no mistakes about it. Saptarishi 5097th year. Running, counting and running on 13th April 2021. Today. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the almanac. This is keeping the track and the dates right from the beginning till 5097th year. Saptarishi calendar. This is the Panchang. Mubarak, post Navre Mubarak. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Thal. It's Thal Yat Vuchunch Asan Navre Hugdo Kashir Button Subnas. They have to, Kashmiri Pandits have to start their day on this very important Navre day every year in the morning before doing anything in the dawn. It contains 13 items. Every item has a scientific and a life-bearing significance. So ladies and gentlemen, what I am trying to tell you that 5097th year. You must be just wondering why on earth I am telling 5097 years. 5097 year is my age and it is my birthday. Today I am celebrating Navre, the birthday of my Kashmir, my India, my world, because Kashmir for me is the world and it is for me the India. So just explaining little bit in my own words. Every person has trillions and trillions of cells in the body. Maybe that my mind is not remembering my previous births, but my cells, my genes, my body is definitely having the memory of 5097th year. 5097th year. I may not be remembering what and what not, how my ancestors looked like. But remember, ladies and gentlemen, my forehead, my nose is sitting right here from my ancestors, starting from Rishi Kashyap, who discovered and drained the Kashmir, my Kashmir, of its water body 5097 years back. Rishi Kashyap, one of the Saptarishis, one of the disciples of the Adi Yogi means Mahadev means Shambhu means Shankar means Bholenath, and of course Ma Sharda. There cannot be anything complete without the she means the goddess means the feminine part of the humanity, and feminine, that's why feminine first and masculine afterwards. We say Parvati Shankar, Radhe Krishna. So many, that's a different discussion, but at least, ladies and gentlemen, my ancestors' nose is sitting right on my face. That's why I say that this is 5097th year of my birthday, and today I am celebrating this Navre on 13th April 2021. Mubarak Navre. And you just see that Om in Urdu, Om in Arabic, Om in each and every language of the world, because Om is the ultimate sound in the world, where you don't have to use your tongue. Even the dumb people can just say Om. Thank you very much, and happy Navre. Navre chu post, Navre chu Mubarak. God bless.